Christmas. Today I have great pleasure in introducing A Tanio Christmas live, all the way from my grotto here in the North Pole. Thank you to the staff at Tanio for asking me to introduce their special Christmas event. As you know, we can't be together, so I've put on this special event for you to enjoy all they have to offer. Oh, there'll be live music with Ruth, a craft along with Alice, making amazing stars for your tree, and a special story with Steph and Kaia. So without further ado, let's start with the best thing to do at my favourite time of the year. Sing! Here is Ruth.
Merry Christmas. My name is Ruth and I'm going to be singing a couple of songs with you today. So the first song I'm going to sing for you, you might recognise the tune of it because it's quite famous here in Wales. But some people know it more as a Welsh hymn that you might hear in church. But for a lot of people, this song is very, very Christmassy, mostly because of the English translation of the words. So the English translation of the title of this song that I'm going to sing for you is All Through the Night, which obviously has sort of imagery of Christmas Eve and Christmas Day and all those kinds of things. But in Welsh, you'll probably know it better as Ar Hyd y Nos. Holl am ran tair ser ddywedant ar hyd y nos. Dyma ffordd I ffrog o goniant ar hyd y nos. Golau ar achau tywallwch I arddangos gwir brydferthwch teulu'r nefoedd mewn tawelwch ar hyd y nos. O mosiriol gwen a seren ar hyd y nos. I o'i le o'i chwaer ddeiaren ar hyd y nos. Nos yw henaint pandau cystydd, ond I harddi dyn a'i hwyr ddydd roen ein golau gwan i'n gilydd ar hyd y nos. So the next song I'm going to sing for you is a really, really famous Christmas song, one of the most famous Christmas songs of all time. It's Jingle Bell Rock, which was made famous way back in 1957 by Bobby Helms, but just in case you didn't know, it also featured in the 1996 film Jingle All the Way. Now, because I'm trusting that you absolutely know all the lyrics to this song, I'm going to set you a challenge. The challenge is that I want you to see if you can click your fingers, or if you can't click, clap, on beats number 2 and 4. So when we are doing music, everything tends to be in 4 beats. So we'll go 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's the kind of beat that your foot wants to tap all the time. So what I want you to do that's going to make it a little bit harder is I want you to only click on beats number 2 and beats number 4, like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? So once you've got into the groove of that, then hopefully you'll be able to sing all the words at the same time. Okay? Sometimes it helps to sway at the same time. And what I want you to do then is watch out, because on the line, to go riding in a one-horse sleigh, we're going to stop. So, good luck, and I'll see you at the end. Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bells swing and jingle bell ring. Snowing and blowing are bushels of fun. Now the jingle hop has begun. Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bells chime in jingle bell time. Dancing and prancing in Jingle Bell Square. In the frosty air, what a bright time. It's the right time to rock the night away. Jingle bell time is a swell time to go riding in a one-horse sleigh. Giddy up, jingle horse, pick up your feet. Jingle around the clock. Mix and mingle in a jingling beat. That's the Jingle Bell Rock. Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bells chime in jingle bell time. Dancing and prancing in Jingle Bell Square. In the frosty air, what a bright time. It's the right time to rock the night away. Jingle bell time, it's a swell time to go riding in a one-horse sleigh. Giddy up, jingle horse, pick up your feet. Jingle around the clock. Mix and mingle in a jingling beat. That's the jingle bell, that's the jingle bell, that's the Jingle Bell Rock.
Nadolig llawen bawb, Alice yma, a chroeso i'r riffin arbennig, Tanio TV. Merry Christmas everyone, it's Alice here and welcome to a special Christmas edition of Tanio TV. Okay, so today we are making Christmas stars, Seren Nadolig. You can make it with me and hang on your tree, and in your craft packs that you would have received, you will find 5 willow sticks, such as this, a number of loom bands and a piece of twine. So we're going to start with 2 willow sticks. We're going to take 2 and using a loom band we are going to cross them over like this and secure at the top of the 2 sticks like so. So then you get another stick like this. And you do the same thing again. You have got extra loom bands as well, just in case you need them, just to secure the ends, make them a bit stronger. Okay, so when you get to that point, I'd like you to make a shape like this. Okay, and this gets a little bit trickier because what you do is you take the 4th one and you put it through the triangle, and then what you have to do is squeeze together those 2 ends. Okay, I don't know if you can see that, hopefully you can. Again, you've got the cross there. We're going to take another, actually I might use 2 loom bands because these, to make it a bit stronger. Cross it over like so. And make sure it's nice and tight at the top. Okay, so you can see here we only have got 1 more stick to go. Okay, and you should have this shape. So now we're going to take this one, and again we have to weave this 5th one through. So we're going to go like this. I'm going to go through. And you have to try and squeeze again the sticks together like this. It's just a little bit trickier, this one, to be honest, but if you get your 2 loom bands you should be able to make sure they become nice and tight at the top where the crossover is. So that is nice and tight, much better with the 2 loom bands there. So we've currently got it like this. And again, take 2 more loom bands. And join the points together like this. And And really, really make sure it's nice and tight going around the 2 crosses at the top of the star point. So then you've got, and you can move them slightly just to make your star shape a little bit better. Okay, so you've got equal points. There we are. So we've got our star. Then, final thing to do is to take our twine and just put it through one of the points, whichever one you think is best. And I think I'm going to choose that one. I'm going to go through here. And then at the top, just make a few knots. There we go. Okay, and there we have it, our hanging Christmas tree star. Now, what you can do if you want to go a bit further is you could weave in the points of the stars like I've done here. And here is a much larger one, as you can see. And this one I've added wire, and I've added lots of buttons around just to make it look a bit different. There we go. We'd love to see your stars if you can post them on our Twitter or Facebook page, and I hope you've enjoyed making that with me this today. We are looking forward to seeing you next year. Nadolig llawen.
Hi, I'm Kaia, this is my mummy Steph, and we're going to read The Stinky Sprout, which is a very stinky Christmas tale. And this is one of our favourite Christmas stories.
Yes, it is.
And we're going to read it.
Lovely. The Stinky Sprouts in a rather smelly Christmas tale. Here we go. In a faraway kitchen, there lived lots of food.
Some silly, some clever, and some rather rude.
Rude. The carrots were sporty. The beans enjoyed books. The turnips told jokes.
And the leeks loved their looks. Although they were different, they hung out each day, but one group was never invited to play.
This squad was the Sprouts, and their smell was so strong that no one could stand to be near them for long.
Take a breath, hold your nose. I can smell stinky sprouts.
Oh, no. But while the bad smell made the other veg flee, underneath the Sprouts' pong, they were sweet as can be.
If we could smell nice, Mrs. Sprout said one day, the others might like us and not run away.
Poor Sprouts. So all of the Sprouts got together to think, but no one knew how to get rid of the stink.
At last, Sadie Sprout said, "Come on, follow me." Then she jumped in some cranberry sauce with a whee!
Her family thought Sadie Sprout has gone mad. But when she climbed out, she no longer smelled bad.
The sweet, sticky sauce had disguised Sadie's smell and made her as pink as a petal as well.
Pink Sprouts. And so, one by one, all the Sprouts got in line to swim in the sauce and start smelling divine.
Some Mr. Sprout said, "It's perfect," and started to grin. Now maybe the others will let us join in.
Maybe. The sweet-smelling Sprouts find the cool carrot crew and ask them politely,
"Can we play with you?" Of course, they replied. "We've not seen you before, but since you smell sweet, you can join us for sure."
They sound cool, those carrots, don't
Yeah.
they? "They don't know it's us," said the Sprouts in surprise. "This pink, sticky sauce is the perfect disguise."
So they joked with the turnips and played with the peas with their stunning new scent, making friends with the breeze.
Then the cool carrot crew dared the Sprouts to a race. The Sprouts thought, we've made it, and rushed into place.
But once they were rolling, a tragedy struck. Their cranberry sauce started coming unstuck.
A tragedy, no! And as the sauce trickled and dripped to the floor, the Sprouts became stinky and green as before.
The other veg gasped, recognising the pong. A parsnip cried out, "You were Sprouts all along!"
The Sprouts turned to leave, but their friends shouted, "No! Today was such fun, we don't want you to go."
They said, "We thought nothing smelled worse than the sprout, but we were the stinkers for leaving you out."
Oh, they felt really bad for leaving them all out. The others had learned that their actions were wrong. They shouldn't have judged all the Sprouts by their pong.
So from that day onwards, the group got on well, and they loved the Sprouts dearly in spite of their smell. The end.
The end. So it doesn't matter how stinky the Sprouts were, you should never judge anybody by their stinky smell. And we love Sprouts, don't we?
Yeah.
Do you like Sprouts?
Yeah, Sprouts are amazing.
They are yummy. Merry Christmas, everyone!
Merry Christmas.
Well, I hope you enjoyed A Tanio Christmas Live as much as I did. What a brilliant way to start your Christmas celebrations. It's a bit different this year. The elves were a bit slower making their presents due to social distancing, and Rudolph's nose kept running on our practice sleigh runs due to his face mask. But let's remember to stay safe and look after everyone around you. In fact, I have some shout-outs here to get us in the mood. This is for Ruth from Mum Emma, who says you have tried so amazingly hard in your reading this year. You deserve a lot of presents from Santa. Well done, Ruth. Happy Christmas to a special niece and nephew, Ronnie and Arthur. Sorry we weren't able to see you this year, but I hope we have a lovely Christmas time and we will see you soon. Lots of love from Auntie Leanne, Uncle Paul, Tugs, Riz and Norbs. Also sending you lots of love and hugs is Auntie Steph and Uncle Lee. Happy Christmas to Freddie. I hear you've had a great year in Busy Bees this year at Blind Garrow Primary School. There is something really special coming your way this year. I hope you like toy cars. And happy Christmas also to your sister Evie, a Roblox fan who loves her friends in year 6. Because you've been such a good girl, keeping up those film nights with your mum and dad, there is something special coming your way too. Merry Christmas. Happy Christmas to Ebony, and well done on your tricky words and being committed to your football games. There is something special coming your way this Christmas too. Merry Christmas. Finley, Mammy Fran and Daddy Scott wanted to be a good boy for Santa, and please, please sleep all night. Ho, ho, ho. Merry Christmas. Keris, Edwin the Elf says you've had some great reports from him. Keep up the good work. Merry Christmas. Helo, Albi a Ned o Gaerdydd. Ydych chi fechgyn da? Os ydych chi, falle bydd Lizzie the Lizard ar ei ffordd i ti, Albi, a bydd dinosaurs i ti, Ned. Ho, 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 ho. Well, I think that's it for now. Don't forget to send in your best Christmas photos for our photograph competition with a chance to win a £25 gift voucher. Mrs. Christmas, where's my camera? I'm going to take part. I can't wait to see them. Nadolig, llawen, Merry Christmas. Ho, ho, ho.